I'm pleased to have Elliott Bell with me today. Elliott is a program manager of digital transformation with Radix Engineering and Software. Welcome, Elliott.
Thank you, Peter.
So let's think back. So 2021, 22 has certainly been challenging. So what are some of the key accomplishments that you've seen across your business units in the past year, Elliott?
Well, for us, even though it's been challenging, it's been very exciting as that created opportunities in the transformation space. So as a company that is bent on helping our customers create value from their existing data, we've had a lot of interest in helping them create new paths of data and use data in different ways.
Yeah, okay. So let's think about that a little bit, because usually people, when they start thinking about using data in different ways, it usually leads to some type of a discussion or about artificial intelligence. Can you talk a little bit about how you're using AI or machine learning or other advanced solutions in order to enhance your current offerings?
Yeah, so we have an offering where we help our customers look at the stability of their existing process, and that is based on an AI platform. Now, from that, when you go back and you think about where we're starting from data, it is how do you expand the capabilities that are in place? And one of those big things is if you're going to expand the capability, you normally also have to reduce something. So our focus through AI is reducing the operator intervention that's necessary to create value.
Right.
So the faster, the easier we can create value, the less waste that exists in the value system. And therefore, our AI aspects, our ML aspects, are not focused simply on creating an AI tool or creating an ML tool. It's very targeted at creating value for our customer.
Okay, interesting. Yeah. So we've certainly seen lots of challenges, and COVID. We're here at an in-person conference, which is certainly a good thing. But certainly the world is still dealing with supply chain challenges. So from your experience in terms of digital transformation, what do you see as companies' top challenges moving forward in 2022?
Well, the top challenges, and interestingly enough, when we usually talk about supply chain, we fail to talk about the human supply chain, even though it is extremely important at this time. One of the big gaps has been in engineering resources, which is exactly where Radix Engineering and Software excels, is in our human resources to help our customers get through this time of existence where the humans are actually transitioning to other roles. So we have really grown our business during this period as being a resource to our customers.
Right. Nice. Yeah. So definitely systems are certainly more and more complex, and building AI and other capabilities takes certain resources. So manufacturers are increasingly reliant on solution providers to help support their systems and their plants. So how is Radix helping that today?
Radix is leaning into it. Radix, of course, we are a global company, so we have customers in Southeast Asia, in Europe, in Latin America, in the US. We have a mindset that we do not have preconceived solutions. Right. What we are here to do is to help our customers first define their custom problems, and then we go to the market and develop solutions for their custom problems by existing market tools. Therefore, in essence, we're trying to help them get to the best possible solution with the least effort that will sustain them for the longest period going forward.
Okay. So, thinking forward into, 2022 and into 2023, let's talk about tailwinds to help propel the businesses, or even headwinds. What do you think are some economic tailwinds that can help you and your customers?
Well, as far as tailwinds go, it is, and this sounds really weird because it helps us, not necessarily our customers, but it's competition.
Right.
So all of our customers are facing added competition, even including inflation. The inflation puts a premium on the competitive market. So for us to develop even better custom solutions at a faster pace allows us to provide a better service to our customers, which of course, due to inflation, will come under more and more economic pressures as we go forward. Now, something that we're fighting against, unfortunately, the historic conversations around digital transformation. You know, the market has been flooded for probably 6-8 years with a digital transformation conversation that now has almost added a fog that people struggle with to understand what is real and what isn't real. So we're working really hard to help our customers define the actual real problems that they're addressing and to use really a targeted solution to address their problem and not invest in something that is going to end up being a failed business case or an experiment that has been proven 100 times already.
Well, Elliott, thanks so much for being with us today. We look forward to watching Radix developments in the coming months.
Thank you.
I've been speaking with Elliott Bell. Elliott is Program Manager for Digital Transformation with Radix. Thanks for watching.